Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to get an inspiring idea to edit your photo with Picsart. So you just need to open the Picsart application, wait until it's perfectly open, and then you just need to go back until you got this one. And I would like to suggest you to stay in the home sections here. In the home section, you will have this inspiring following generated with AI templates. So you just need to find which style that you want to edit. So here, let's say you want to get this edit, you just need to right away click try. And then will be generate you into your photo picker, and you just need to pick the picture that you want to use, and you just need to adjusting everything. Here is the cropping step. You can adjusting, it doesn't have to follow the default, you can adjusting still. And then if you're done, go click next. Here there is an information about the step amount of the template. So here it called 4, so you need to do like 4 steps to get those editing done. And if you're satisfied with the result, just go click next again. And here is the text side. You just need to editing here, or in if you need to delete it and you want to add the new text, you just need to go click this X, and you can create your own text here. But if you're already satisfied with this quote, I could say, you can just go click next, and final, go click next, and you're done. You already got this editing style. You just need to download it, and you will get the aesthetic idea for your picture that's ready to post. So that is the way how to get an inspiring or inspirations about the way how to edit your photo. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.